In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make notifications on Snapchat private on iPhone. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have a password like a finger scan or Face ID or just a normal PIN code. And if that's all enabled, just scroll all the way down till you see Snapchat right here. And then where it says notifications, just click on that and make sure the notifications are enabled. So yeah, on iPhone XR, XS and the 11 and just the newer iPhones in general have this feature enabled by default. But if you have an older iPhone like an 8 or 7 or 6, you know what I mean, this isn't enabled by default. So just click on show previews and make sure to click on when unlocked. So every time you unlock your phone, so just do your Face ID, for example, only then your messages will be shown. And yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.